Hi, good afternoon, my dear student. Yes, yesterday we have discussed so many problems on the matrix of very important properties are there. So another very important example, it is a 3 marks question. They are asking so many times and important questions are there discussed in front of you. Yes, let us discuss. 3 problems are there one by one. Practice more and send to me all the answer. Please write up everyone. So here that compute the following. Here the question is there. So that is one of the greatest value. You can consider. Look at this one. A square plus B square plus C square. Here that A square plus C square, A square plus B square. This is one matrix, right? Plus, so I can express 2AB, 2BC, so minus 2AC, minus 2AB, right? So this one is there. So what is the order? Check it. 2 cross 2, here also 2 cross 2. Then you can take the values. What is the value? A square plus B square. First term to first term plus 2AB, right? One of the greatest values. Second one, B square plus C square plus 2BC. Third one, A square plus C square. So look at this one, minus 2AC, minus C is there. So here A square plus B square minus 2AB. So this one, right? Expressions are there. So I hope you know that this is one of the greatest identity. 8th standard you have learned. So this one shall I write A plus B whole square, right? This is the one point here. B plus C whole square. The greatest identity formation here. A minus C whole square, A minus B whole square, right? Hence we prove that this is a very simple questions are there. So next one, second one, check it, very important problems are there. So what is the values? Keep in your mind, I can take here cos square x sin square x, right? So this one sin square x cos square x, right? Plus what is the value? So keep in your mind, I can express for the sin square x cos square x, right? So here the cos square x sin square x, similar problem, so many times they are asking, right? So here one step shall I write adding cos square x plus sin square x, first term to first term, right? A very simple example. So second, sin square x plus cos square x, right? So this one, sin square x plus cos square x. So here cos square x plus sin square x, right? Check it. What is the answer? These are the greatest identities. So 1, 1, 1, right? 1. Hence we will prove that. So this is the answer, right? So very easiest for the second one. So we are going to third one. Solution. We have what is the value? Keep in your mind. Cos theta, right? First I can express cos theta in the bracket, cos theta sin theta. So here minus sin theta cos theta, right? The terms. First one plus sin theta, right? Sin theta minus cos theta. So here cos theta sin theta, right? This is the given equation. First multiply scalars, whole terms. What happened? Cos square theta sin theta cos theta, right? Multiply the first term, first row, minus sin theta cos theta, right? Second one, cos square theta plus Multiply same terms. Sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta. Right? This one, sin theta cos theta. Right? Check it. Sin square theta. This is the multiplication, the terms. So next you are going to add it. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Agree? So here sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. First term to first term, second term to second term. Same. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Right? The second terms, sin square theta, first, second, right? Cos square theta. So this one, last terms, what happens, the result? So 1, 0, this is 1, this is the terms, both get cancelled. Keep in your mind, this one get cancelled. Same, this one cancelled. So this one, 1, right? So therefore, it is called I. Hence, we prove that this one third 3 marks question. So lot of times they are asking. Keep in your mind, all are very important. Definitely they are asking so many times in this type of question. Please practice and send answers, practice answers, everyone. Thank you so much. I'll continue another few examples in the next video. Bye.